Want to boost your muscle growth with just a few simple fruits? Keep watching to find out which ones can transform your fitness journey. A balanced diet is crucial for muscle growth as it supplies the essential nutrients required for repair and development. Among the best sources of these nutrients are fruits. Let's explore some fruits that can support muscular development. Number 1. Banana. 1.1 grams protein per 100 grams. Bananas are rich in carbohydrates and potassium, helping replenish glycogen stores and prevent muscle cramps. You can enjoy them raw or blend them into smoothies. They're ideal for a pre- or post-workout boost, supporting both energy and recovery. Number 2. Guava. 2.6 grams protein per 100 grams. Guavas are packed with protein, fiber, and vitamin C, making them great for muscle repair and boosting immunity. Enjoy them as a mid-morning or evening snack, either sliced or in juice form. Number 3. Mango. 0.8 grams protein per 100 grams. Mangoes are loaded with carbohydrates and vitamins, providing an energy boost and supporting recovery. Enjoy them post-workout, either as sliced pieces or blended into a smoothie. Number 4. Pomegranate. 1.7 grams protein per 100 grams. Packed with antioxidants, pomegranates help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to muscles. Enjoy pomegranate juice after your workout to aid in recovery. Number 5. Papaya. 0.5 grams protein per 100 grams. Papaya contains papain, which helps with protein digestion and reduces muscle soreness. Enjoy it fresh or add it to your salads. It's perfect as a post-meal treat or a midday snack. Number 6. Chikoo. 0.4 grams protein per 100 grams. Rich in carbs and antioxidants, it fuels your workouts and aids in recovery. Enjoy it as a smoothie before your workout for sustained energy. Number 7. Watermelon. 0.6 grams protein per 100 grams. This hydrating fruit is packed with citrulline, which improves blood flow and reduces fatigue. Enjoy it fresh or as juice before or after your workout for optimal hydration. Number 8. Amla. 0.9 grams protein per 100 grams. Packed with vitamin C, Amla supports muscle recovery and boosts immunity. It's best enjoyed in the morning or as a post-workout snack. Number 9. Custard apple. 1.7 grams protein per 100 grams. High in carbs, it helps replenish glycogen and supports muscle repair. Enjoy it fresh as an evening snack or after your workout. Number 10. Jackfruit. 1.5 grams protein per 100 grams. Jackfruit is rich in protein, carbs, and potassium, promoting muscle repair and boosting energy. Enjoy it during lunch or as a post-workout snack for sustained recovery. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks. Take care.